Okay, here we are again. Done a little bit more work on the bike, a little bit more cutting off. There we go. I've actually cut off the back of the frame, removed all the airbox, fitted my new lights at the back, and cut the exhaust slightly shorter, well, about a foot or so shorter, so there we are. Still works very nice. There's bits. Seat on, starting to take shape now.